Hello fellas and welcome back into this new video of TaxPress. Today let's check out a very easily solution. The first thing to do to change the currency here into Steam actually is going to be really simple. So today let's check out this tutorial will be really easy. So if you open the stream client, you want to click into your username into the top right corner and select the account details. So usually what you can do is to here into the option that says store preferences, you just click directly here into store preferences. This will be sending you directly back into the home account section of store preferences. So what you just need to do is to scroll a little bit down and look out for the currency that you can be changing in no time. If you don't see the actual currency, you don't have to worry about that. You can always go back into the upper right corner, click into your account and select the account details. On the right side until the stores and purchase history, I'm going to scroll a little bit down. So I'm going to try to look out for account details. I'm going to scroll a little bit more down. And here usually what I do is that if you don't see anything directly here into the store, what you can do, you can click directly inside this element that says update store country. So your country is part of your Steam account settings. Your country setting affect what you see into the Steam element, the currency you see prices in. So that means that if I am from Mexico City, I'm going to see the prices in Mexico City. If I am from the United States, I'm going to see prices of USD dollar, and so on and on. So if you have moved to a new country or living abroad for an extended period of time, you can update your Steam country settings when you complete your first purchase using a payment method from that specific country. So if your location differs from your current Steam account settings, you have an option to change that element. If you're unable to complete a purchase, what you can do is to please contact Steam support. So here what you can do is to key into the option that says contact Steam support, select the country of your new residences, and you can tell them that you wanted to update your store country. So Steam will now ask you to provide the new address. This will match the billing address of the payment method you're about to use. If the account details method does not work, there is a second way, of course, that you can of course check out directly into the card to see a small drop down menu about the item price that says the actual country. Usually this helps a lot, but let's say the PXEs, there's an actual reason why it doesn't appear really well. I'm not pretty sure why this happens, because if I focus directly into let's say a purchase that I wanted to make, I click into the item that I like to purchase, and down here I'm going to scroll a little bit down. You can see that here's the max price, and usually I can see that I can change from another country, but this just won't let me change this. I'm not pretty sure why this happens, guys, but this is how it actually can be helping you. As I just told you, just to go directly into the settings and directly back into the settings. You can use to change your country, to change the actual filter. Something else that you can do, for example, is to use the Google Translate to help them make this process much more faster, or to make this process much even faster is just to select the currency of, for example, MXO. I open a new tab, let's say for example USD to MX, and automatically here's the actual new table. So I just paste my price and here's the actual price into USD dollar. So basically that's a lot like a most easy solution of how you can actually make this process much more faster without having to do all of this processed directly inside Steam. So with that being said, guys, we're over to the very end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this one. Thank you so much for watching the video, and well, hopefully we can see you next time.